Guys, so welcome back, and remember we started creating our shrub, and here is actually where I strained out everything, and this is where we have the necessary ingredients to make our cocktail. It smells of Christmas and spice, right? I wouldn't try to be corny and say everything nice, but you know how it is good, right? We're gonna start using our vodka, and for this Christmas cocktail, it's gonna be an Absolut BLISS. Wow. Guys, my bad manners. I have here on set as my first buddy, Chad Lee Loy, mixologist, over 15 years, Chad.
15 years, give or take?
15 years. And now he actually doing cooking. Mixologist, chef. It go hand in hand. So buddy, welcome to the show. How
Thank
you doing?
I good, partner. You know what it is.
All the best for the season.
You too, brother, you too.
So previously, right, I was actually making a shrub. You should know what's a shrub.
Oh, one of my favorite things to make and drink.
Nice. What I actually did was the hot method.
Okay,
We're gonna do the cold method, but I'll be coming further.
You're coming back for that one, eh?
For sure.
So what you use inside of this one? I find it looking a little thin. You strain everything?
Yeah, actually strain out everything. So we got the apples. I have red, and to give it a little tartness, I actually went with the green. I love that. A little spice, Christmas, ginger, and for some fresh herbs, I actually use tarragon.
One of my favorite things too. You didn't use any spices like cinnamon or anything in it?
No. You could always use spice, you know.
Yeah. I would say Christmas, I know I like my cinnamon, my nutmeg.
So I'm gonna add some ice to this.
Don't come up short now, eh?
No.
Shake it. It's Christmas time.
We have glasses, ice up.
Mason jars, boy. Like we're going in a parking lot carnival time.
Mason jars is one of the new trends that actually came out around the carnival season.
Like I forget what happened in the parking lot outside the city in fight with Mason jar.
What is that?
I can't call no name, we will get in trouble with you and them. You ready to give me a pink drink there, boy? We're saying, real men drink pink.
Real men can drink anything they like. We're in the 21st century.
Oh, we're about the equality thing then. Everything goes?
Yes, everything goes.
What's that?
So I'm gonna actually add a cranberry ginger, right? This is a premium mixer. This one is actually called Double Dutch. And Double Dutch is new on the market.
Yeah, I never see that one before though.
I'm gonna add it to give it that effervescence, that bubbly feel. Gonna go right up with some strawberry and mandarin bitters.
You with all these concoctions, eh?
For the garnish for this one, buddy, we're going simple. Then I actually add some apple slices to this. And remember, we still use apple in it.
Christmas time apple, you know. I don't know why that was always a thing. Oh, that fanciness, boy. You remember growing up, you never used to see apple anywhere around, except for Christmas time?
Yeah, everybody know apples is something for Christmas. And I'm actually putting a little tarragon here, because remember we have the tarragon in the shrub.
Okay. That's the same one I bring for you yesterday?
Yeah, it's the same one. How are we looking? Looking kind of?
It's still looking good though.
Yeah, it's still looking good.
Alright.
Alright, buddy. Present it to you, sir. Yeah.
Niceness.
Cheers to the Absolut BLISS. Drinks flowing, guys. It's Christmas season. More drinks coming right up.
Kampai.